In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Wix Studio. Whether you're creating a website for your business, blog, or portfolio, customizing the footer is a crucial step to ensure your site looks polished and professional. The footer is often the last thing visitors see on a page, so it's a great spot to display important information like your contact details, social media links, or a quick brand message. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process, making it easy to follow along and customize the footer to fit your website perfectly. Let's dive right in. First, open Wix Studio and log in using your preferred method. Whether you choose to continue with Google, Facebook, or email, simply log in as you normally would to access your Wix Studio editor. Once you're in, navigate to the Site Structure section. This is where all the different components of your website are organized. Here, locate the footer section and select it. The footer is a fixed section at the bottom of your website, and this is where we'll be making our edits. Now that you've selected the footer, click on the Edit Text option. This is where you can update the content within your footer. Think about what kind of information you'd like to include. It could be your brand's tagline, your business hours, or even your contact information. Keep the text concise and relevant. Remember, this is a small section, so simplicity is key. You want the footer to look clean while still being informative. Next, let's take a look at how the footer behaves on different devices. To do this, click on Responsive Behavior. This option allows you to adjust how your footer scales across various screen sizes like desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. A responsive design ensures that your website looks great no matter where it's being viewed. Within this menu, you'll find a feature called Scale Proportionally. Turning this on will maintain the proportions of elements in your footer as the screen size changes. This is especially useful for ensuring that none of your footer elements appear stretched or distorted. For more specific resizing options, click on Custom Scale. This allows you to set detailed parameters for how the footer should resize. Maybe you want certain elements to shrink or grow at different rates. This is the tool you'll use to fine-tune that. While you're at it, enable the Wrap option. This is a helpful feature that ensures text and other elements adjust neatly when viewed on smaller devices. For instance, if your footer includes a long email address, the Wrap option will make sure it doesn't spill off the screen, keeping everything tidy. Once your footer's layout is responsive, it's time to make it visually appealing. Start by clicking on Edit Font here. You can change the font style to match your brand's identity. Maybe you want something sleek and modern, or perhaps something more playful. Whatever your choice, consistency is key. Make sure your footer font complements the rest of your website. After selecting the font, move on to Edit Color. This is where you can adjust the footer's color scheme to match your website's theme. Whether you want a bold contrast or a subtle blend, take your time to pick colors that enhance your site's overall design. Your footer is part of your branding, so a cohesive look will leave a lasting impression. Finally, click on Edit Position Type. This option determines how the footer is anchored on the page. You can choose to keep it fixed in place so that it's always visible, or allow it to scroll with the rest of the content. A fixed footer works well for important information you want users to see at all times, while a scrolling footer feels more seamless for certain types of websites. And that's it. With these steps, you now have full control over your Wix Studio footer. Whether it's updating the content, making it responsive, or customizing the design, you can make the footer work for your unique website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.